Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek. So guys, today I am going to start DevOps series in English. Many people was asking that sir, you need to start DevOps series in English because we don't know Hindi. So guys, finally I decided that I will continue DevOps series in English. So there is a question that sir, what is DevOps? Is DevOps is a tool or DevOps is a job profile? So guys, the answer is that DevOps is a job profile. So again, question will be, sir, who can become DevOps engineer? So the people who know multiple technology like Linux, AWS, Azure, Terraform, Google Cloud, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Git, Jenkins, Python, shell scripting. That people or that guy can become DevOps engineer. So there will be multiple viewers who is in college like first year or fourth year or final year. So that people will also ask, sir, should I learn DevOps or after learning DevOps I can get job? Because many people are telling only experienced people can get job in DevOps. So guys, the answer is definitely you can learn DevOps. It doesn't matter that you are in first year, second year or final year. Everyone can learn DevOps as well as also they can get job in DevOps. Many candidates I have who is in college and still they are doing job. So guys, you need to learn skills. You don't have to take tension about jobs, right? So experienced people will also ask that, sir, how many type of tasks and opportunities I can get. So guys, everything I will tell you in day by day series, but today only I am giving information that what is our roadmap to learn DevOps. So guys, if you want to become DevOps engineer, so Linux, AWS, Terraform, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Git, Jenkins, Python, shell scripting and project. You have to follow this series. After following this roadmap or series, you can become DevOps engineer. So there will be again questions, sir, will DevOps end from market? No, DevOps will never end. Doesn't matter that there is AI, machine learning or data science. DevOps will be for every technology because DevOps is a platform, DevOps is a base. Your artificial intelligence code where you will run, you need to use operating system, you need to use server. So DevOps will never end, right? Their automation tools are there, so jobs can be reduced, but market never will end for DevOps. So I request you that you need to learn skills, not DevOps technology, right? You need to learn skill because skills give you job. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, like, share, subscribe my video and keep connected in my channel. From next video, I will start Linux introduction, then Linux day by day series. So after Linux, I will complete AWS, then Terraform, then Docker Kubernetes. So everything I will cover in this series. So have a good day to all of you. We will see you in next video. Thank you to all of you.